Most people plan to rest, relax, or have fun during the weekend. Today's conversation topic for English learners is weekend plans. Imagine you're making plans for the weekend with others. What would you say? What would others say? Here are a few suggestions. You meet your best friend and suggest you meet at a restaurant with some other friends over the weekend. What would you tell your friend? What would your best friend tell you? You're with your family on a Friday night and you remind them you all need to go shopping on Saturday. What would you tell your family? What would your family tell you? You're talking with a school colleague about preparing for the big final exam. You suggest you meet next weekend at a park to study for a few hours. What would you tell your colleague? What would your colleague tell you? Remember that time is important for everyone. Making weekend plans needs to include clear explanations why your meeting suggestion is important.